Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's appetizer is going to be avocado toast. So my first step is going to be to take the buns that I'm going to toast and run them to the toaster. Let's start on the avocado. I've already looked at my avocado to make sure that it looks like it's good, it's firm. So I should have a good avocado. The first thing I'm going to do is to cut a slit around the avocado. Then turn the knife just a little bit to loosen it up. Give it a quarter turn. Off it comes. Now I got to get rid of the seed in the middle. Quarter turn. There that goes. A little slippery. Now, you just take and peel the avocado from the top and around like this. The outer layer will come right off. Now, some people try to scoop it out, but if you just put your fingers around the outside, just go around. And it pops right out. Break. Next thing we need to do is to mix that up and add some spices. My spices for the avocado toast mix is going to be pepper, pink Himalayan salt, or you could use kosher if you want, oregano, garlic powder, and dill. Start out black pepper, garlic powder. By the way, the measurements for everything is going to be at my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. And also, while I'm thinking of it, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell so you'll see some more of the videos that I have coming your way. Next, dill. And you got to go easy with dill. Dill is strong. So as you can see, I just put a pinch of that in. You can always add more later if you want. Oregano. Oregano is a little strong too. So don't dump it in the bowl. Put it in your hand like this. Your palm, so you know from last time you made it, or you learn from when you're making it how much you want to use, and then rub your hand together, which will warm it up and excite it. Same thing with the salt. Too much salt is not good, but no salt is terrible. Now I just use a whisk. And I mash this up. And then all I'm waiting for is the toast to be done, and we'll put it all on there. Toast is all set. It's browned up. It's looking mighty good. Let's go ahead and get this right here where you can see what I'm doing. I have this all mixed up. Now, one thing about avocado is it will brown up on you. So if you take lemon, hold it in your hand so that it's up so the seeds don't fall in. And sometimes I put my hand over it a little bit to catch the seeds. I rolled this on the table and I cut it for the last meal. And I'm catching these seeds in my hand. Some people can do it one-handed. It's like cutting an egg. Some people can do it easier or better than others. And what's nice is the lemon really cleans your hands and disinfects them. And as luck would have it, I would drop a seed in here just to show you that I'm not perfect. Or two. Now, mix this up. It's gonna dilute it with that lemon juice and make it easier to spread. And it's keeping it real green. You can see the color that the lemon juice keeps it. Just mixing it up. I just take a spoonful, drop it on there. Probably put a bigger spoonful on the bigger buns. Want to get all this because it is good. Okay. There you go. That's my hors d'oeuvre for today.